The MUTOH XpertJet series, which delivers excellent print quality and high productivity, now has a new model perfectly balancing cost and performance. In a compact body that's easy to handle, equipped with the latest MUTOH's unique technologies, combining the features and convenience that many users are looking for. MUTOH XpertJet 1341SR Pro. XpertJet 1341SR Pro is the successor model to the best-selling ValueJet 1324X. It achieves high-quality printing with a space-saving design. New printhead AccuFine. New print effect iScreen. MUTOH Genuine Rip Software Vertilith. The integration of these new features enables high-quality printing. A new extra-wide and high-density piezo printhead AccuFine on board. It achieves high productivity and high image quality thanks to extremely precise ink dot placement. iScreen was created by optimizing the AccuFine and evolving MUTOH's intelligent interweave printing technology. By arranging the dots in a way that takes into account how they look, this reduces banding for smoother print images. MUTOH Genuine Rip Software Vertilith optimizes the performance of the XpertJet 1341SR Pro. It provides less variation in color density and smoother gradations, resulting in more beautiful image quality. DropMaster 2 automatically adjusts bi-directional alignment through the built-in sensor. FeedMaster automates paper feed adjustment through the built-in sensor. Media Tracker manages the remaining media by printing a barcode before removing a roll in use. It will read the barcode when reloading that roll. Nozzle Area Select temporarily prints using selected areas of active nozzles when clogged nozzles fail to recover. MUTOH's unique technologies save time and reduce variation in adjustments between different operators. The optimal print head height selecting from 3 stages depending on the media being used. In addition, the pressure rollers can be individually selected to finally adjust the pressure applied to the media. A wide range of media types can be fed under optimal conditions. Combined with optional items for a smoother media handling capability. Added a maintenance door on the capping side. This allows for easy maintenance, such as replacing the cleaning wiper. MUTOH Status Monitor is a lightweight software enabling remote control of the printer from a computer, maximizing the performance of the printer. Streamline your daily workflow with the features and usability that most users demand. In a compact body that's easy to handle and equipped with MUTOH's latest unique technologies. Excellent print quality, high productivity, and remarkable cost performance. MUTOH XpertJet 1341SR Pro.